My name is Doris and I'm going to talk about what I have studied in the first week of AP Psychology. And psychology is a scientific study of the mind and behavior. The word psyche is come from Greek and it means the mind, and ology means the study of something. And psychology started from philosophy and biology. Philosophy studied about mind, and biology studied about the brain and body. And psychology covers a really wide range of some questions and topics. It asks things like, why do people think, feel, and act the way they do? And how we learn new things and store memories. What influences our emotions, motivation, and decision making. And psychology also studies mental disorders like anxiety and depression, how relationships and groups work, and even how culture and environment shape who we are. And psychology is called a science because it doesn't just guess or rely on some opinions. Instead, it uses some careful research, testing, and evidence to understand people. And psychologists make predictions, do experiments, and collect data, just like scientists in biology and chemistry. This makes the information more reliable and trustworthy. And psychology shows up in everyday life. For example, we use it in school when we study or memorize something. Athletes use psychology to stay motivated and focused. It also helps people handle stress or improve their mental health. And we also learn about the basic research process. First, create a research question, and then form a hypothesis or a testable prediction. And after that, gather data and analyze the results, draw conclusions, and finally share the findings. And this process helps psychology stay scientific and reliable. And this is a summary of what I have learned in the first week of AP Psychology.